What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me on another video today. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do much. It is nasty wet here. It's been raining for the last 2 days. Kind of early for the rainy season for Florida, but that's what I'm faced with. I did start preparing to move the axle forward. I'm removing the step. Toolbox is coming off. So it gives me room so I could slide my axle forward. I did get some goodies. I got a jack to jack the SN up when we slide the axle forward. I had to get a specialty grinding tool or cutoff tool to remove that because I'm limited to the space. That's what I'm dealing with. I probably have about 3 inches there, and it's you just can't get a grinder. I tried the Sawzall, that's not happening. And the backside has the beam going, so there's no room to get your hand there. So yeah, running to a bunch of crap. But let me show you the cutoff tool that I got. Alright, so here I am. This is the cutoff tool I got. I didn't get nothing special. This is from Harbor Freight. I'm not going to spend these can range anywhere from $40 to $140 that I've seen, and I'll probably use it maybe twice in a year. But there it is. It's got a nice nice extended handle, and the blade sits differently from a traditional grinder. But I'll be able to get in there, cut it off. Yep, got that. Went cheap on a jack too, because again, I'll never use it. It's a 20-ton, but I doubt it's going to lift 20 tons. I would say it's a Harbor Freight special, so I guess I would say 10 tons, maybe 15. I don't see it doing 40,000 pounds, but whatever they say. But yeah, I was hoping I would have a better update for you guys, but unfortunately I can't. It's just nasty. The ground's just shit. I mean, it's the sun's popping out, then the sun will come through, and then it'll rain again, and it's just nasty shit. So yeah, there she is. Hopefully on the next update, I'll be loosening all the bolts, all the nuts. But yeah. Word of advice, if you guys ever have any good ideas, I mean any kind of idea, like taking a trip because the price was right and you thought it was right, or buying the house that you know it's a good deal, or buying the car because you know it's a good deal, you just know it's a good deal, okay? Let me give you a quick little story here, what I'm talking about. This truck, I paid $9 grand for it. Okay, in Florida, a 07 with 250,000 miles, good deal. But you do have to do a shitload of modifications again. So before I was looking at a white one. It was a 04 or 05, I believe. Same body style, crew cab. I will put a picture in the video. Just put a quick still photo in the video. But it was white. It had a gooseneck. It had a beautiful, it was a flatbed on there. Beautiful. It was it had rhino lining on it, everything. 19.5-inch rims and tires. Everything. It was ready to go. They wanted 20 grand for it. Ready to go. All I would have to do is hook up my gooseneck trailer to it. And I held the idea in my head. I knew it was a good deal. I knew I should have went for it. But I held it so long with me and kept thinking about it that people actually talked me out of it when I tried to get advice. They talked me out of it. And the truck sold. Okay? The truck was ready to go. So I paid less for this one, yes. But the modifications, the time I'm going to have into it, like I can't work on it today, it's a pain in the ass. So anytime you have a great idea, you want to make a purchase or go somewhere, you know it's a good idea. What I'm trying to say is, don't let people talk you out of it, period. If you know it's good, then it's good. Do it. If you have no money to do it, figure it out. Do it. Because again, lesson learned. There we go. For 11 grand, I could have just hooked up my trailer, 100% ready to go, ready to run. No time in mods, money, and bullshit. So keep that in mind. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I will be, oh, that muffler's coming off too. I will be posting a video next week. Like I said, hopefully I have the drive shaft dropped and ready to move forward. All right. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.